Hello dear students, glad to be together again to continue ahead. This is me, your teacher Mahmoud, and this is your lesson. I hope to be very interesting and easy. The first part of our lesson is titled pollution, which is something well known for all the students. Contamination, the weather or even food is dirty. That's the meaning of pollution. Something full of germs, bacteria, such things. In that case, we call it pollution. We can say contamination. And this pollution can be chemical, also can be natural. But the kind of pollution that we are going to talk about today has something to do with chemicals. It is the chemical pollution. And I do not want to talk a lot about it. Here is the passage in your book, page 22. Is divided into 5 paragraphs, very precise, short, and easy. So here is your lesson, pollution on page 22. But there are some questions in this lesson. But just we are responsible of A and B. But before that, in order to make it quite easy to deal with all of these exercises, please, on paragraph 1, I mean A, on page 22, underline the word in a village in Jazeera. I mean, underline this sentence. Put a line, draw a line under these words. That's the name of underline. So number 1, in a village in Jazeera, that in paragraph 1. In the line 2, 6 brothers and 5 sisters. In the line 3, looked after the family sheep. That is all in paragraph 1. Let us come to paragraph 2. Please underline the second line, the sentence, the crops were attacked by lots of hungry insects. The next line, sprayed their crops with a pesticide. That is all in paragraph 2. Let us come to paragraph 3. So when I say underline, it doesn't mean you are not going to read it. No, you have to read all of these passage or topic carefully, then underline the sentences that I am telling you about, because when you underline them, they help us to deal with those exercises A and B. Paragraph 3, I mean the last line, the last sentence, underline there were the fields which had been sprayed with pesticides. Only one sentence. Let us go to paragraph 4, page 23. And the line began to grow thin and didn't produce much milk as they used to. Full stop. Go ahead, underline the next sentence. The lambs didn't play anymore. And the last sentence in paragraph 4, the pesticide was making these sheep ill. Let us go to the last paragraph in our topic, pollution, which is paragraph number 5. The first sentence, underline the sentence, many of the sheep have died and some of Ahmed's brothers and sisters were also ill. Full stop. Were also ill. This sentence that I taught you, please underline them. These are the answers of the questions in exercise A and B. Because we are not in the same class, so when I say underline, this one help us to answer exercise A. There are 5 questions from page 22 to 23. And for the same topic, exercise B, we will find 4 questions on page 23. You can answer them with the underlined sentences. The sentences that I said, draw a line under them. It makes it easier to deal with them all. That's all about our topic, pollution. I hope this is interesting and easy and well understood. If there is any question, students can just ask the questions in their WhatsApp. Let's go ahead. Second, I will talk about conjunctions in English. Conjunctions, of course, words that we use to join sentences or words. But here I'm not going to talk about all kinds or types of conjunctions, but here are only 2 conjunctions. By the way, there are a lot of conjunctions. So H contains 2 words. So, that, or such, that. So these 2 conjunctions has something to do with the grammar, and today we would like to talk about them. Let's see the first ones, when to say or to use the conjunction. So here is some words, that, and then some words. Here is it, and here is the rule. So we can guess there may be some word, noun or pronoun, so plus adjective. The meaning of adjective is well known, descriptive word, a word that describes noun or pronoun, plus that, and the rest of the sentence. Example for that. So let's see when to use so and adjective after so, and then that, and then complete the sentence. Here are 2 examples for you. Bahri is the name of a city in Sudan, Khartoum. Bahri is so crowded. So that is so. Crowded is adjective. Crowded, full of people, cars, traffic. That you can't find a home to rent, to pay money in order to live for a temporary time. That's the meaning of rent. So Bahri is so crowded. So after so, just we see the adjective crowded, and then that, and then the rest of the sentence. You can't find a home or house to rent in order to live in. So that for the rule number 1. Another example, BMW is a car model. Maybe they are German car or such things. Some cars we call them BMW, the name of the car company, was so expensive. So that so is an underlined word. Expensive is adjective, and then that. So BMW was so expensive that we couldn't buy it. The car of BMW was so that is so. Number 1, expensive is adjective that we couldn't buy. Anyway, to be present or to be in case of past, it doesn't matter. It makes no difference. Anyway, that so plus adjective plus that was the rule number 1 of our conjunctions. Just we're talking or explaining 2 kinds of conjunctions. Now, let's go to conjunction number 2, which is the beginning of the sentence. There can be noun or pronoun. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But such a or an. So, there is a little difference here. Such a or an, we call them indefinite articles, particularly if we are just talking about something singular, such a or an, then plus adjective, but plus noun. So the only difference between rule 1 and the rule 2 here is indefinite article a, an, and then adjective plus noun, because adjectives are words that describe nouns, then that, and then complete the rest of the sentences. Let's see examples for this in order to see the difference in use between the rule A and the rule number 1. So the same sentences, the same two above mentioned sentences, let's use them again in order to make it somehow clear. So the sentence number 1, to use it in the rule number 2, Bahrain is such a crowded city. So that is such. But a or an is very important. Crowded is adjective, city is a noun. So adjective describe noun, then that. You can find, here, you will saw there is find. You can find a home to rent, full stop. So Bahrain is such a crowded city that you can find a home to rent. So this is the difference between rule A and rule B. Here we need definite article directly after such, and after that adjective we need noun, and then you come to that and complete the rest of the sentence. Number 2, or example 2, the same example, BMW, the same car company, was such an expensive car that we couldn't buy it. Yeah. So BMW was such an, when do we say a? When do we say a? An? The difference is quite clear, because crowded, the first letter here is I would call consonant, but expensive starts with a vowel, that's why we say an. So BMW was such an expensive car that we couldn't buy it. Then before we go ahead, let me just tell you about homework which is needed here. In case of conjunction, we say join the 8 sentences, page 27. Page 27, you say join. There were 8 sentences for you to do, either to use so plus adjective that, or such plus indefinite article, adjective, noun, and that. So join those 8 sentences with such, that, or so, that. One of them. Don't use both of them, and that exercise is on page 27. Finally, to conclude with, let's go to the next page. Quite easy, precise, short, titled Sport Worldwide. When I say worldwide, it means all over the world, around all the world. So let us say sport around the world. That's the meaning of worldwide. And to deal with this, here are only 2 exercises for you. As I told you, this title is going to be short, precise, interesting, and easy. Sport worldwide. Go to that page. Set 2. You will find exercise A and B about sports in the world, all over the world. In exercise A, what we need is to match those pictures with the names of their sports. But there is only mistake, you have to add. There were 10 is written, but you have to add number 11, which is tennis. So go to page 32 and match the names of sports only tennis is missing, so you have to add it over there. That is okay. It's quite easy. Exercise B, also the same topic, proposal, sport worldwide. Use the map. Of course, the map is a photo or a shape that geographers draw in order to identify the locations or places all over the world. That's the meaning of map. I think it is quite well understood and easy for every student to understand. B, use the map. There is a map on page 33 to talk about sport worldwide. The same that I have. So to talk about sport worldwide, there is a map drawn or prepared for us. So we have to see the name of a country or where the arrow is, the name of a country or a location, and then talk about different kinds of sports given. So it has something to do with the question A. So in question A, there were the number or the names of sports worldwide and pictures of people doing them. But here is only a map on page 33. So look at that map and talk about the sport worldwide. That's all for now, dear students. Thank you till we continue another lecture.